Welcome back to the channel, Lynn's Lifestyle Living. How is everyone doing today? Okay, so today I have another open invite for our Tablescape Sunday collaboration. And this week's Tablescape Sunday collaboration is being hosted by Diva Decorating. And she will also have co-hosts, which will be Cynthiashesobless, Mysterious Alberta, me, myself, and DIY It, Tammy, along with myself, Lynn's Lifestyle Living. We are hosting the Tablescape Sunday collaboration, All White Tablescape. Yes, we do this every other Sunday. As Diva said in her video, as a group of ladies, we come together every other Sunday to help support each other, as well as other channels, and just trying to help our channel grow. So if you don't know what Tablescape Sunday is, this is where we do this every other Sunday. Again, we come together and do tablescapes to just get each other's ideas and share our ideas and tablescapes with each other. So again, this week's Tablescape Sunday is going to be all white tablescape. So let's go ahead and get into the rules and the details for this collaboration. So rule number 1, you must be subscribed to all the host channels and link the channels down in your description box below. Rule number 2, please mention all the hosts in your video and go by and show everyone some love. Rule number 3, we're asking that you do all white tablescape, and her example was a wedding reception. So a wedding reception, like she said, just think outside the box and just simply have fun with it, creating your all white tablescape. So all white tablescape. Rule number 4, title your video All White Tablescape Sunday. So title your video All White Tablescape Sunday. And she also wants you to use the hashtag Tablescape Sunday All White Affair. So hashtag Tablescape Sunday All White Affair. Okay, rule number 5, add your video to the playlist when it becomes available. Rule number 6, upload anytime after midnight on February 23rd. So you can upload your video February 23rd anytime after midnight. And the last rule, rule number 7, just be creative, think outside the box, and have decorating fun. So be creative, think outside the box, and just simply have decorating fun, creating your all white tablescape. So that's it. That's the rules for this all white tablescape affair. And we hope to see you in all white tablescape. So until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.